Wow. Alright. Let me tell you something. So, isa sa mga favorite topics ko. Well, okay. Let's start with, mahilig ako mag-setup ng mga bagay-bagay. Isa sa mga favorite na pag-usapan about setup pagdating sa motor para sa akin is yung suspension. And I'm very proud na na-discover ko si Dave Moss 4 years ago, even before I started riding or even before I bought my motorcycle. Kumukonsulta na ako kay Dave Moss regarding suspension tuning. And siguro sabihin nyo parang antang ako naman, wala pa akong motor pero nag-aaral na ako ng tuning. Well, nanggaling din kasi ako sa car club community. So nangangarera ako ng kotse dati, and well, suspension din ang paborito kong pag-usapan pagdating sa sasakyan. And ako mismo ang nagtono, nag-setup ng suspension ng race car ko. So going back to motorcycles, nung nagbabalak akong bumili ng motor, sabi ko kailangan maging handa na ako. So even before I bought my motorcycle, nakabili na ako ng kompletong gear, nakapag-aral na ako ng basic course, and yun nga, nag-aral na ako ng suspension tuning. And to cut the very long story short, kasi it's worth 4 years of learning, nung isang linggo, after buying yung new tires ni Octavia right now, kumonsulta ulit ako kay Dave Moss. Sabi ko, Dave, I have new tires. Yan. Siya nagturo kasi sa akin na basta't nagpalit ako ng gulong, lahat ng mga setup settings ko before, it may not work. So kinakailangan kong i-reset yung mga settings ko, kailangan ko uling aralin yung mga setup parameters ko, and one of those is tire pressure. Yung pinaka-paborito ko sa suspension setup, yung tire pressure. Yes, ang tires po ay parte ng suspension. Ang pagse-setup, ang tire pressure ay isang setup parameter. Hindi siya basta hangin lang. Okay, ganun kahalaga ang tire pressure. So, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, I'm in the process of learning the appropriate tire pressures for my new tires. So I'm starting with cold tire pressures, ganyan-ganyan. Kunento ko sa kanya lahat ng ginawa ko. And then he advised me to do some testing, and sinunod ko naman. And then I took pictures of my tires, yung initial tire wear, yung scrub in, yung initial break in. And ang sabi ni Dave, mukhang nakukulangan daw siya sa weight transfer to the front. Parang kulang daw, hindi yun yung ine-expect niya. Ine-expect niya is there should be more weight, okay, on the front tire. Kaya sabi niya sa akin, do this, do that. Sabi ko, nagawa ko na lahat yan, Dave. Nagawa ko na to. Na-adjust ko na to, ganyan. Sabi niya, very good. Okay naman daw lahat. Except for one thing. Before I change to new tires, yung forks ni Octavia, naka-lower na to ng 5mm. Alright? There's a story behind that, kung bakit 5mm. Ang sabi sa akin ni Dave, lower it some more ng another maybe sabi niya another 3mm. Ayan. So sabi ko, so total of 8. Yeah, so total of 8. And right now, ayan, ngayon, so I'm testing the new geometry. Okay, yun, suspension geometry. So pag sinabing suspension geometry, ang mga pag-uusapan dyan is yung rake angle, yung trail length, okay, yung mechanical trail, yan. Kasi lahat yan, yung contribute yan sa performance ng isang motor. So right now, dahil pinadagdagan niya sa akin ng 3mm yung lowered stance ni Octavia, yung front end, right now I can feel big difference. Sobrang laking difference. Napansin ko sa mga nakasanayan na mga naglo-lower ng motor, ang lalaki nilang mag-lower, as in inches by inches. Sabi ni Dave, that's wrong. You should not lower your forks by the inches. Kasi daw, 2mm is more than enough to give you a big difference. So nung pinakita ko sa kanya yung picture ng tire wear ko, nasabi niya na nakukulangan siya sa front end weight transfer bias, naka-lower na ako ng 5mm. Sabi niya sa akin, tagdagan mo ng 3 and see how it goes. And right now, there, eto, sinunod ko yung advice ni Dave. The total yung lowered stance ngayon ni Octavia, the total is 8mm. Original nito is 5mm yung lowered stance niya. And I can feel the difference right now. I mean, the bike, paano ko ba i-describe mo ng mga nararamdaman ko? Nakikita niyo yung sa mga MotoGP pag nagde-describe yung mga riders ng nararamdaman niya sa bike. The bike wants to, they do make the sound. I want to do that right now kasi I cannot find words on how to describe how the bike is behaving right now compared to I'm running over bumps. I'm trying to test its stability over bumps. I'm trying to do no hands. Tingnan ko lang kung ano yung responsiveness of the front end chassis. It feels so good. It feels so nice, man. 3mm added lowered stance. It's pushing more weight to the front. It's putting more bias to the front. I can feel it. I can feel the grip. Dave, thank you so much, man. As always, Dave is considered to be one of the best motorcycle suspension tuners in the world. And I'm not disappointed, and it shows. Lahat ng tinuro niya sa akin, sinusunod ko. Lahat ng inputs niya, yung feedback niya, kino-consider ko. And so far, I'm not disappointed. He's not wrong. Lahat ng sinabi niya works out. I can feel kung ano yung dinidescribe niya. It's just so amazing. I can breathe the bike effortlessly. It's agile. Okay. Dahil dinagdagan ko yung lowered stance ng bike, so the front end will now have more agility. It's easier to flip in and out of corners. It's easier to change direction. It's very responsive. Yun nga lang, merong trade-off yan. Kasi, if your front end is very low, there's a tendency na masasacrifice yung stability mo on high-speed, high-speed straight runs. Kasi nagbaba, kapag nilower mo yung forks, liliit yung rake, iikli yung trail. It will make the bike more agile, yung front end, pero medyo mababawasan ng stability sa cruising and highway, high-speed ride. Pero sa cornering, sa turn-in, I can just counter steer with one hand, left and right, and the bike is so responsive, man. I like the agility, the added agility. It just feels so good. So, it works, Dave, it works. Yun nga lang, titingnan ko mamaya kung pag tinignan ko yung itsura ng tire wear sa front is makikita ko ba na nagkaroon talaga ng effect yung more bias sa front end, yung weight transfer. Titingnan ko, mamaya ko ba malalaman yun, kaya nga tinetest ko ngayon eh. Okay, so now, kabalik ka naman, isisingit ko lang. If you raise your front end from stock from factory stock, lalaki yung rake angle and hahaba yung trail, which will make you more stable sa highway and straight runs. I can let go while cornering. I mean, yeah, anyone can do that. That's just fine. It will make it more stable. Yun nga lang, medyo bawas ng konti yung kanyang agility and yung tatawag na iba na flickability. So it's up to you kung paano mo titimplahin yung kape mo, di ba? mas maraming kape, mas maraming gatas, asukal, mas maraming creamer, kung ano. It's up to you kung how you take your coffee. I take my coffee black. That's it. Kasi bawal sa akin ng sugar at saka ang dairy products. So it's really up to your taste, to your preference. Right now I'm loving my coffee. it feels so nice. I can see something wrong. Wait, it's just my eyeballs. I need to align the forks. No, I don't. It's just the yoke. Wait, is it really the yoke? I think it's the yoke. Nope, I need to align the forks again. Oh, okay. It's just a little bit. Again, thank you so much, Dave, and sana ma-appreciate ninyo yung kahalagahan ng suspension setup. The proper suspension setup for your preference, for your riding needs.